ensure your marketing campaigns are tracking correctly. When you create a marketing campaign or any link that is coming to your website, you want to keep correct track of it, because that is the way that it will show us in the source and medium. And to do this, you want to do what we call decorate the links with a UTM parameter. So to do that, I will go to the campaign URL builder provided by Google, then fill out the required fields, and this tool will automatically generate a link that I should use to track all my campaigns on Google Analytics. So I will put this link on my marketing campaigns or on my email list, any place where we are linking to our website. We want to say where the traffic is coming from. So let's see how to generate that. Here I am at the campaign URL builder, and this will ask me for some information of that link and how I want to decorate it. So the first thing it adds is for my website URL, in this case maybe the homepage, and it will ask for the campaign source. So where I am going to put this link on, maybe the newsletter. Okay, and then it asks me for the campaign medium, in this case, maybe an email. Make sure to always have this on a lowercase, because Google will take as two different mediums or sources if you type some mediums with lowercase e and other with uppercase e. To avoid this, make sure to always enter lowercase. And then it asks for the campaign name, that may be, for example, a promo for spring. Okay. Also, don't type a space. You want to put a lower bar instead. And here we will see our full link to copy on our email campaigns or our social media posts.